Hi guys, it's Tammy and I have a box here from It Cosmetics. I actually ordered this from QVC and they were having it as today's special value. And whenever they do that, I like to at least check it out because I really have been loving my It Cosmetics. This says, discover it, love it, believe it. And then open it up and it says, it's your customer favorite 4-piece collection. And then this is what it looks like. I know the sun is kind of crazy right now. So it has Bye Bye Lines Serum, the Heavenly Lux Bye Bye Foundation Brush, Bye Bye Foundation Full Coverage Moisturizer, and Bye Bye Under Eye Eye Cream. So, yeah, and then it tells you a little bit about each one of those. And then it also looks like it has some, it's your must-haves for flawless skin and lashes. Bye Bye Pores Bronzer with Brush, Supersized Tightline, and Bye Bye Under Eye Concealing Pot with Brush. So there is some more options that you can look at on QVC. So this is how it comes packaged. Very nice, and it looks like there's a couple samples on the bottom. I have a sample of Confidence in a Cream and Confidence in a Cleanser. I actually own this one and I do like that. So the first thing that I see is my brush. And it's very nice packaging. I actually think I own this brush or one that's very, very close to this. So I don't know if I'm going to open this one yet, but it is a very nice brush. It's very dense and it evenly distributes your foundation. And I know that some people, I've seen them put foundation on their hand and then they use the brush to put it on. I actually just squirt my foundation right on the brush. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but that seems to work okay for me. But this is a little different brush because it's shaped like a triangle, but it still feels the same where it's very dense and nice. It feels like it has good coverage. I think my other one might be a little more dense, maybe has a few more bristles than this, or maybe they're just not as spread out, but it's a very nice brush. I would definitely recommend their brushes. They are very nice. They are kind of pricey, whoops, but they are very nice brushes, so I like them. So then let's see, I got this Bye Bye Under Eye Eye Cream, and I'm pretty sure I have this as well already, but it came with the set and it was a good deal, so, oh, I don't know, maybe I don't have this one. It looks a little different. But this is what it looks like. I kind of think my Bye Bye Under Eye is in a little squirt bottle, so maybe this is a little different, or maybe it's just a different way to use it. I don't know, but I like it. It says, you are beautiful, you are it. So their packaging is very nice. I don't know if I should put it back in the packaging, or if I think I'm going to put it back in the packaging until I know that I need to use it, and then I will get it out. And then I have this Bye Bye Under Eye, or Bye Bye Lines Serum. This is a drop of light optical blurring technology. Advanced aging, wrinkle smoothing, miracle concentration. So that sounds fabulous to me. Apply in the morning and the evening onto clean skin underneath or in place of your moisturizer for hydrated, firmer, younger, more radiant looking skin. Wear on face, neck, and décolleté for powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. So that's really neat. And I do like how they give you like a little protector so you can travel with these. I just keep this on top of it and you can travel with it. And I'm just going to squirt a little bit on my finger. So it is a white moisturizer. And I'm just smells nice and clean, and it feels really smooth and nice. Oh, I do love it. So if this works for lines and wrinkles, I am going to be a happy girl, because I am not getting any younger. And then that little cap prevents you from being able to push it down, so it's nice for travel. I don't think I'm going to put that in the box because I will be using that ASAP. And then the last thing that comes in this box is the actual foundation, and this is a full coverage one. I got the color medium, which is their most popular shade, and this has an SPF of 50, and it says apply liberally 15 minutes before sun exposure, reapply at least every 2 hours, use a water resistant sunscreen if swimming, and it's supposed to be like a full coverage makeup. So that is nice. I'm not going to put that on right now just because I'm not getting ready, but I will use it in a video where I do like a get ready with me video. And I don't think I'm going to put that back in the box either. So that is what I got, and I am quite pleased. And I hope that you guys, if you haven't already tried It Cosmetics, I hope that you guys consider it because it really is good stuff. I have been very pleased with everything that I've gotten so far, and I would highly recommend it. So thanks for watching, and I hope that you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.